Here we go with the reading studies. I'm going to put, actually, since it's the key of A, I'm going to make it a little slower than we did the last one at 80. Remember, this is one of the many pages now that we have. I think now when we get done with page 102 and 103, we have 10 pages of reading studies that you could play at different times. Key of A, first exercise reading study. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at the contour of the lines and look and see whether they're eighth notes or quarter notes. If I look at the first measure, my lowest note is A and my highest note is E. So I know I'm going to play, we're in the key of A. It's an A major scale going up to E and down, ending on A, G sharp, A, B, up to G sharp, E to B, G sharp to A to E, and so forth. Start looking at at phrases. In these reading exercises, we're not really playing anything that's really syncopated. So you really have to just notice the eighth notes and just notice what notes you're going to play and what key we're in and play along and keep up with me. Exercise 2. Exercise 2 starts at the bottom of page 102 into 103. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is a bit harder, mainly because many of our eighth notes were going up and down the scale, so you really have to watch what you're playing. Third line. Notice it goes up and back down, up and back down. So notice the notes that are going up and down, and notice that we're not having any leaps, and that this is all stepwise. So their notes are all next to each other. Really, no leaps. We're playing everything stepwise motion. So make sure your eyes keep moving and progressing throughout the music while you're playing. As a reminder, every note that you play as a mistake is already history as soon as you play it. So the most important notes are the notes after that mistake. Even if you have to count one measure and come in the next measure, keep the tempo going. Here's the bottom of page 103, A major reading study. 1, 2, 3, 4.